Imagine a world where a single individual deceives an entire nation's judicial system for over 4 decades. This is the astonishing tale of a man who crafted an elaborate false identity, ascending to the esteemed position of judge under a fabricated persona. In the heart of Brazil's legal system, a man known as Edward Albert Lancelot Dodd Canterbury Caterham Wickfield served as a respected judge. However, in 2024, the shocking truth emerged. Edward Wickfield never existed. The man behind the robe was actually José Eduardo Franco dos Reis, who had orchestrated an elaborate deception spanning 45 years. The story begins in 1980. José Eduardo Franco dos Reis, a native of Águas da Prata, São Paulo, decided to reinvent himself. He adopted the grandiose name Edward Wickfield, claiming lineage from British nobility. With this fabricated identity, he obtained falsified documents, including a birth certificate listing his parents as Richard Lancelot, Dodd Canterbury Caterham Wickfield, and Anne-Marie Dubois Vincent Wickfield. This audacious move set the stage for an extraordinary charade. Under his assumed identity, Reis enrolled in the prestigious University of São Paulo's law program. His academic credentials paved the way for him to pass the rigorous judicial examination, leading to his appointment as a civil court judge in 1991. For 23 years, he presided over cases, rendering judgments that affected countless lives. His colleagues and the public held him in high regard, never suspecting the facade. The meticulously constructed deception began to crumble in October 2024. While attempting to renew his identification card at a government service center, Reis presented documents under the Wickfield name. Routine fingerprint analysis triggered an alert. The prints matched those of José Eduardo Franco dos Reis, not Edward Wickfield. This discovery prompted an in-depth investigation, revealing the dual identities and the extent of the fraud. When confronted, Reis offered a convoluted explanation. He claimed that Edward Wickfield was his twin brother, separated at birth and raised in England. According to Reis, they reunited in 1980, after which Edward returned to England. He even provided an address in London's West Kensington and a phone number to substantiate his story. However, authorities found no evidence supporting the existence of this alleged twin. The revelations led to swift legal action. The São Paulo Public Prosecutor's Office indicted Reis on charges of ideological falsehood and use of forged documents. The São Paulo Court of Justice suspended his retirement benefits, and discussions emerged about the potential annulment of his past rulings, raising concerns about judicial integrity and the validity of numerous legal decisions. The legal community and the public reacted with a mix of shock, disbelief, and concern. Legal professionals expressed astonishment at the audacity and duration of the deception. Discussions ensued about the implications for the judicial system, including the potential need to review cases presided over by Reis and the measures required to prevent such occurrences in the future. The saga of José Eduardo Franco dos Reis serves as a stark reminder of the vulnerabilities within institutional systems. The craziest thing is that to become a judge in Brazil, you have to obviously pass the bar, but also you have to pass a test that Brazil does to pick the judges that score better at this judges, and it seems that it was indeed him taking the test, meaning that was good, and took the time to study for it and pass.